Let's make a simple Mother's Day card. First, we need to cut a heart shape like this and then paste it into the card. Then we need to cut some paper flowers. Here I have got a yellow colored paper to cut some flowers. So you can follow these steps I am doing here to cut 3 or more flowers. Now I am pasting it to white colored paper and cutting like this to get a different look to the flower. But this step is not necessary, you can do if you want. Follow the same steps to cut some leaves as well. Okay, now it's time to arrange the flowers and the leaves we cut. Hope you enjoyed this simple Mother's Day greeting card video. So, like this video, comment your ideas, share with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification in future. As the final step, we can write our greeting here and finish our card. This is a really simple card, so give it a try and share your experience with us.